How does a car transmission change gears? How does it reverse the direction of engine rotation? In other words, how is reverse gear achieved? Today, I will dissect a manual transmission and demonstrate it to you. When the engine is running, the force from combustion pushes the pistons and connecting rods up and down. This drives the crankshaft to rotate. The rotating force is then transmitted from the crankshaft to the flywheel. Next to the flywheel is the pressure plate and the clutch disc. The clutch disc transfers this rotational force to the transmission input shaft. This input shaft rotates continuously with the engine unless the clutch pedal is depressed. When the clutch is engaged, the input shaft stops rotating. Note that this input shaft is not a single continuous piece. It is aligned in a straight line but consists of two separate sections. The section on this side is not directly connected to the other. There is also an intermediate shaft counter shaft in the middle. This intermediate shaft carries the driven gears for different ratios. To change the force and speed output from the engine, we only need to alter the sizes of the driven gear and the drive gear. Let's look at first gear. Its drive gear is very small, while the driven gear is very large. Therefore, the drive gear might turn to revolutions while the driven gear only turns half a revolution. This achieves first gear. Now, let's engage first gear to test it. Push the shifter that way, and it's in first gear. The rotation speed is very slow, but the force is very strong. This is the gear for climbing hills first gear. Next, let's examine second gear. The drive gear in second is slightly larger than in first gear. So, the drive gear turning one revolution might make the driven gear turn half a revolution. Now, let's shift into second gear to see. After engaging second, we can observe that the output shaft's rotation speed is slightly faster. In neutral, it won't rotate. Let's look at third gear. The drive gear in third is larger than the driven gear by about one size increment. So, after the drive gear turns one revolution, the driven gear might turn 1.5 or 2 revolutions. Now, engage third gear and check the speed. After shifting into third, observe the output shaft's rotation speed. It is clearly much faster than first or second gear. Now, let's shift into fourth gear. The size difference between the drive gear and driven gear in fourth is very obvious. After engaging fourth gear, the output shaft's rotation speed is very fast. Now, let's examine fifth gear. For this type of engine, fifth gear is a direct drive, meaning it has no driven gear. It directly transmits the engine's speed. Fifth gear is the fastest. Now, shift the gear into position to demonstrate. After engaging fifth gear, the output shaft's rotation speed is very fast. At this point, if we accelerate, the speed here basically matches the engine's speed. How is reverse gear achieved in our cars? We simply add an idler gear like this between the drive gear and the driven gear. This changes the direction of the engine's rotation again. Now, let's engage reverse. Currently, this is neutral. Then, move the idler gear that way. After moving it up, it engages these two gears. Then, observe the output shaft. It has changed direction. However, not every car achieves reverse and gear shifting in exactly this way. For example, our CVT transmissions are different, but they are similar in principle. They all use changes in the sizes of the drive gear and driven gear to achieve speed variations.